Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Porsche 911 Carrera. This two-door convertible has a 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter H6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Porsche is a great value with less than 11,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include premium package, power steering, DVD player, XM satellite radio, heated front seats, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.